Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 16-inch canvas, an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of, and a desire to swipe, which I never seem to get over. Although I have a desire for other things like shovel pours and landscapes also. So I have a substantial amount of black paint there, which is fine by me because I continue to experiment with the Amsterdam black oxide added to the Aussie Floetrol, which for me doesn't work very differently from the American Floetrol, with the pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax in it. Let me grab another spatula. I pre-primed the edges of my canvas. I probably should have, yeah, that doesn't really matter. So we'll have some gray paint. And I will have to use the torch to get rid of some of those bubbles. The Meeden paint, when I shake it up, bubbles every time. I don't think it really matters because we're going to be mixing up things and swiping things anyway. That'll make some interesting cells. I'll just leave that right there. So I've been wanting to play with orange, and so orange is what I'm going to do. That was my Hobby Lobby brand, straight up Modern Masters Tut, and this is a fiery red from Arteza. This is Deckwart Americana 24 karat gold. This is a hot orchid. Is it still coming out? That's the good question. It's wanting to leak lately. Did I use anything else? Yes, I had a color shifting red from Folk Art. And what I want to do is grab something. I think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to grab a long piece of acetate, put a fairly copious amount of black onto it, let it go both ways and down toward the edge. Let's go the white side first because that'll be more dramatic. There's a rather copious amount of paint that I should knock off into a dish that I scraped off my card. That's pretty cool. I'm good with that. Makes me want to use a smaller card the next time though. Or maybe not. Let's just wipe it off. Grab another spatula. And use my paint rags. Okay, so can I go? Yeah, I'm going to use the end. I do find that a little more than a little less is kind of a good thing for this. I did that because I could see colors. Now I kind of want to take some of the Amsterdam black, do something with this. Cover up my, I put black on the edges even where the white was, so if I want to camouflage it, it's time to do that. I don't mind a couple of ghostly marks. That was canvas. That's pretty simple and very beautiful for me. I'm happy with that. I had a little Meeden in a dish and I like the idea of that negative space. Although, if I put a little black in there, I thought I'd get more cells than that, to tell you the truth. I don't mind if my edges are gray. It's kind of cool, actually. My paint is still wet. I'm just really liking that a lot. Couple little extra marks never hurt anybody, right? I don't want to do anything else to this. I say that, but you cannot trust me. Just sort of nudging the paint so it will fill in that spot. That's going to be more of a shadow than a mark tomorrow. Makes me want to grab some of this paint over here and give it more substance. Since it's kind of heavy over there anyway, why not do that? Because I like the flow, the ebb and flow. Good. Use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixers. That is dynamic. I like that from a bunch of different angles. Thank you for joining me. Check out some of my 2100 videos. Look for my link tree underneath the video where you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my website, my Amazon link with my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. No, that really satisfied me very deeply. Awesome colors, fantastic cells, the color of waves. I don't know, maybe that's not right, but in any case, I love you guys. There's a monthly drawing and there's paintings up for grabs, and if you want to see what the prizes are for the monthly drawing, look on the exhibition video that's on the end screen, included on every video in the last 20 seconds. Which is the best way up? I don't know. That's just fantastic. I think that might help me out. This might get run really fast. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on the link tree. I think I said that already. And my spring clothing below the video is Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. I'm going to zoom in. And it's a lot less expensive than my Legalerish clothing, which is the top link. Look at this, sweetie. Ooh, baby. Art therapy is good. I have more luck with those big smears and the big sheets of acetate, I think, than almost anything else. So I love you guys. I want you to take care. I told you that already. If you have questions, please ask me. If you want to find my videos, look on the community board for tomorrow's post on my YouTube channel, or on Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of the older YouTube artworks and some updated things. I'm catching up slowly. What else can I tell you? If you have questions, please ask. If you would like to help me out, give me a thumbs up. Share my videos, watch them longer, And know that I appreciate you guys endlessly. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you for being here. If you want to come again, I post every day and multiple times on weekends. So, bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.